Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves.
Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm showing you how I canned crushed tomatoes. These were for my brother. Normally I would just run them through the Victorio, but he likes the whole tomato in there. The reason I freeze these is look how easy the skins just come right off. Also, the reason I freeze them is I just put them in the freezer till I have time to do tomatoes, because everything else is coming out in the garden then. But these were for my brother before he went into the hospital. So just have a couple bags here. And if you don't have freezer space, or you just don't want to do them this way, you can just cut a little cross in your tomatoes, put them in boiling water for a minute or so, and then put them in an ice bath, and then you can peel them that way. I'm just doing a small batch, so there's just a few jars in the canner. I'm getting them hot. And then after I've peeled the tomatoes, I just put them in another pot and heat them up. You can do a raw pack, but I just prefer to do a hot pack because of when you do a raw pack, a lot of times the tomatoes will float up to the top and it don't look very good, but they're still good. They just don't look very good. Here I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's per quart. Per pint it would be 1 tablespoon. And I'm putting in some salt. At that time my brother, he was able to have salt because his sodium was so low. So you don't have to put the salt in there. And I put in 1 teaspoon of salt per quart. If it's a pint, it needs to be a half a teaspoon if you prefer to put it in. You fill the jar to a 1/2 inch head space and then debubble. Wipe off the rim of your jar. Make sure you get everything off. Put a lid on and a ring, and then put it in a canner. When the canner comes to a rolling boil, I'm going to process it for 50 minutes. I'm above 1,000 feet in elevation. You'll need to check your elevation. Below 1,000 feet would be 45 minutes. And here they are, crushed tomatoes for my brother. He enjoyed them before he had to go into the hospital. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for your prayers. We've needed them. Thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.